Alright, welcome to Mechanical Advantage Systems, Understanding the T Method. Whether you're here for Whitewater Rescue, rock climbing, or mountaineering, such as crevasse rescue, we're going to teach you in about 5 minutes how to add up Mechanical Advantage Systems. So, my name's Josh, and this is Griffin. Griffin, how old are you?
6.
Okay, cool. So, can you add?
Yes.
Alright, let's start with a basic system here. So, L is for load, A is for anchor, the lines are the rope, and the circles are a pulley. You can see it here. Now let's look at pulleys a little more closely. If we look at a circle, and you understand that that's going to represent a pulley in our drawings, you can see here what a regular pulley looks like, right? You get that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's draw maybe a rope going through a pulley. Does that make sense to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. You can see now we've got a rope through the pulley, exactly. And let's do some math here. If 100 pounds goes into one side of the pulley, what comes out the other side if you had to guess? Yeah, another 100 pounds. That's right, that's what it's got to equal. So let's practice by drawing our T. This is where the T method comes from. Legs of the T equal either side. So on one side of the T, what should we write?
100 pounds.
Yeah, 100 pounds. That's right. So if you add 100 pounds and 100 pounds, what does that equal? You know? 100?
200.
Yeah, 200. That's right. 100 plus 100 equals 200 pounds. So at the summation of the pulley, we have 200 pounds. Let's see if we can see that in a real photo. You ready? Okay, so look at it. If we have 1 on one side, what comes out the other side?
1.
Yeah, equals 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
1 and 1 equals 2. So now, if we look at the system again, let's see if we can follow that through. So we have the line coming in, 1 coming down the line. What goes into one side of the pulley?
100 pounds.
Yeah, or 1 on one side. What's on the other side?
100.
Yeah, so 1 and 1. Right? So we'll stick with 1 and 1, and we'll call it for a total 1 plus 1 equals
2.
2, right? So we'll leave that 2 on the friction hitch, right? On the end of it. So then the 1 comes out the other side of the pulley, and it goes all the way down to another pulley. And so we're going to draw our T, right? And then what do we put on each side of the T? Do you remember? 1 goes into a pulley, right? You remember that?
Draw 2 1.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll take our T, we'll draw a 1 and a 1. 1 coming into the pulley, 1 coming out, and 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
Yeah, 2, right on. So then you can see if 1 is coming out, we're going to take the 1 is going to travel all the way down, right? And you remember the 2 sitting on the friction hitch?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see if you can figure that out. So the 1 is coming, and it bumps into the 2. And so, what do you know? 2.
Plus 2.
No, 2 plus, what's it? 1's coming down the line, and there's another 2. 2 plus 1 equals?
3.
3, right on. Exactly. Okay, cool. And so if you put 1 unit in, you get 3 units out. Or rather, you get 3 units for every 1 unit of input. You can also see there's a summation of 2 on the anchor. So let's try it again in the real photo here. 1 coming down the line, 1 goes into the pulley, 1 comes out, 4 for a 2, right?
Uh-huh.
So 1 and 1 equals 2 on the friction hitch, right? And then the 2 is going to live there on the friction hitch. So 1 comes down the line, jumps in the other pulley, comes out the other pulley, right? 1 and 1, 2 on the anchor, 1 coming out of the pulley. Perfect. And then you'll see the 1 coming all the way down the line again, bumping into the 2 at the friction hitch. 2 plus 1 equals?
3.
3, right on, exactly. So 2 plus 1 equals 3, leaving us for a 3 to 1. And that, in less than 5 minutes, is how you can basically decipher every mechanical advantage system there is, whenever it comes to pulleys anyway. So, Whitewater Rescue, mountaineering, rock climbing, these are the tools. They'll serve you well, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Griffin, thanks so much for hanging out and learning some mechanical advantage systems.
You're welcome.
Good job. Nice work. High five.